Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous and very beautiful resin clock with the beautiful marble effect. And this is very easy to make. Also I have added some geode effect on both the sides and this is shining so much. So without any delay, let's get started. Here I am taking this round MDF base by Little Birdie. This is having 5.5 inches radius and this is quite thick, having 6 mm thickness. So I'm just unwrapping it and getting it ready. It is already have hole inside this to fix the clock mechanism. And this is the base on which I am going to do the resin work. Nice, finished and ready to use. So before starting with resin, we have to prime the base. So for this I am taking gesso, white gesso, and applying it all over the surface so that the surface will become non-porous and it will not absorb any resin. So this is very must step to apply gesso to prime the base. Allow it to dry completely. Now here I am taking my weighing machine and this is 0 at the start. Now I am just putting my mug on this, which is having approx 2 gram of weight. So according to that I will measure the resin. Now here I am taking the hardener first. This is by Little Birdie and I am using my spoon also because sometimes weighing machine doesn't work properly, so I rely on my spoon measuring technique more. So here I am taking total 12 spoons of hardener in the glass and also calculating the weight below. So this is 31 grams. Now we have to add double amount of the resin with this mixture. So we have to add 60 grams more. So approximately 22 spoons of resin. But my weighing machine is perfectly working, so I am calculating according to my weighing machine. So here I have added total 90 gram quantity, 30 gram of hardener and 60 gram of resin. Now the mixing procedure is very important here. You have to mix it nicely, slowly in one direction for 3 to 4 minutes and then set it for extra 3 to 4 minutes aside so that it will be ready to pour, and you will also feel little warmth after the resin will be ready. Now here I am taking 3 plastic cups or paper cups and adding golden, blue and white pigments inside these using one small stick. You need very small amount of pigment to create any color of resin. And all these pigments are by Little Birdie. And the below mat is also by Little Birdie. This is called silicone mat. If you have any resin drops while working, the silicone mat will not affect from that. You can easily remove the resin particles after drying. So all 3 mugs are filled with different pigments. Now I am pouring little bit of clear resin to this. Little bit in white, very little in golden, and then blue. I am using most, so I am making larger quantity of blue. Now mixing all the pigments with resin nicely and properly till it become opaque in color. I'm finding it little translucent, so to create it more opaque I am adding little bit of more quantity of resin pigment in white color. And now it's looking perfect for me. Similarly, I will mix blue and golden. Now taking back my base which is dried, and in the below I have put 3 empty cups, and on top of this I have put my MDF base so that we can work in easily from height. Now I am pouring little bit of blue color randomly, then in between I am adding white resin. Then using my heat tool machine, I will spread the resin like this. We have to blow the air. If you don't have heat tool machine, you can also use hair dryer. I will also show you with hair dryer in some time. Now I am taking my hair dryer. The speed of the hair dryer is little high in the sense of blowing the air, so it will work faster and you can merge the colors very easily. So decide what kind of effect you want. According to that you have to move your hands. Now in the corners I am just spreading the resin using this wooden stick. If required, you can add little bit of clear resin on top of this. Then I have spread the resin equally and evenly on all over the surface. Then again taking my hair dryer, and I will mix everything very well to create nice marble effect pattern. And it's looking already very beautiful, just like the sky. Now I'm randomly adding some lines of gold resin. And again blowing little air. And this is nicely and properly mixed. Now here I have this beautiful acrylic clock dial, so just removing the top liner and fixing it exactly when the resin is wet. Do it very carefully, align it in the center, eyeball it, and then just put it like this. If you find it a little disaligned, you can adjust it nicely using any stick, but don't move it very much. And now it's looking perfectly fine. So on both the sides I am adding some stones. These are resin stones in blue color. Also I will add in white color. Like this. Now allow it to dry completely for 1 day. And after 1 day, can you see how gorgeous and shiny our clock is looking? It's cured completely and it's looking very, very beautiful. Now I have this gold marker, which is the resin marker, and I am just highlighting these stones a little bit more by adding little golden color on the top and on the edge. You can also use acrylic colors to do this work. Also, I am making some random lines using same gold marker. And coloring the other side stones also. Now I have fixed the clock on back side, and we need to color the back portion of MDF base as well. So here I am taking blue chalk paint and covering it completely. Also coloring the edges using gold acrylic color. Then I am fixing the hands. First hour hand, then minute hand, and on top second hand. Then I'm attaching the battery on back side. And tada, our resin clock is working perfectly fine. It's approx 11 o'clock here, so I'm just adjusting my clock. And it's ticking perfectly. Super duper beautiful and cute. I am just loving the outcome so much. So in this way you can create your own beautiful resin clocks. All the material links are given in description box, you can check there. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.